What's up, everyone? Miss Boogie here. I've been getting a lot of questions, comments, and compliments on my accessories, mainly my earrings that I wear and my makeup looks. So I want to give you guys a little bit more information on them and showing a few off that I own. First, I want to show you these. These are called Wet Wets. Oh, and I almost forgot. You can find them at www.headbangeraccessories.com, and I will spell it and put the link in the in an annotation at the end of this video. But these, you'll find. I'm sure most of you've seen this on my main channel page and my picture. These are called Wet Wets. These are the best. I think these are my favorite pair of earrings right now. If they weren't so huge and so just distinguished, I would wear them every day. I promise you. I've got so many compliments on these earrings everywhere I go. Where can I find them? How much are they? Who makes them? Are they handmade? Oh my God. Where can I get those? Headbangeraccessories.com. That's where you find them. All their earrings are handcrafted. So you know that took a lot of effort. They're pricey, but trust me, it's worth it. It's well worth it. These are custom made. These are called femme fatales. They're like big hoops with like flowers on them and material wrapped around it. It's ridiculous. I wore these, well, I've worn them a few times, but the last time I wore these, oh my God, like 38 people back to back. Oh my God, where did you get those? Oh my God, can I have them? No, but I can tell you where to get them. Headbangeraccessories.com. Another pair I have. I haven't worn them in a while. I actually just found them because apparently my mom likes them too, so she tried to hide them from me because she wanted to wear them. Anyway, my little purses. Love them. They're like purple and teal little purses, little ear purses. It's so cute. All they need is like a pocket. I promise you I will put change in here. Just to, I don't know. I'm retarded like that. But people ask me where I got these. Told them just like I told you. www.headbangeraccessories.com. Don't even trip. That's my house phone ringing. And then these latest ones, latest creations, latest masterpieces, latest beauties I got. I can't wait to wear them. Oh my God. Oh my God. I don't even know how to explain these, but these are the business. That's a matter of fact, on their page, underneath like the different types of earrings they have, that's what these should be under. The business, or the biz, because that's what these are. The biz. Can't wait to wear these. Oh my God. I know I'm going to get so many compliments. Where did you get them? How much were they? Oh my God, can I have them? Where did you find them? I'm going to tell you. I'm going to tell them like I told you again. Headbangeraccessories.com. I can't wait. But anyway, yeah, so I want everybody to go check out that website. Go get your earrings. I promise you, when you go around the town, everybody you know, oh, she's a headbanger. She's a headbanger. That's when I go places. People ask me where I go. I'm like, I'm a headbanger. That's all you need to know. I'm a headbanger. Nah, for real though. But go check out headbangeraccessories.com. The young ladies, Shayla, Tiff, and Tasha, I just want to say thank you for creating this awesome product that there's nobody out here doing that but you guys. There are some bootleggers, but you guys are the original, real deal. I'm repping y'all to the fullest. Don't care. Yeah, and I just want everybody to go handle that. Go to their website. Go follow them on Twitter. Follow MySpace. They have a MySpace where you can see the models. You can see all kind of pictures from fashion shows and just everything. It's too much to say right now. It's ridiculous. But yeah, so Miss Boogie representing headbangaccessories.com. I'm not official. Wish I was. Don't even matter. I'm still going to rep y'all to the fullest. Just want everybody to know about it. And yeah, so for my infomercial, rank me, add me as a friend, comment, message me, all that stuff. And don't forget to check out my MySpace at www.myspace.com/makeup by Boogie, and follow Miss Boogie on Twitter. That's twitter.com. Follow Miss Boogie on Twitter. Don't forget. All right, y'all. Peace.